Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, with a DIY Monday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be doing a spiral look earring, and here are the items that you all will need for this DIY. You're going to need a curry shell, okay? You are going to need a fish hook. You're going to need 2 jump rings. You're going to need an 8mm jump ring and a 6mm jump ring. As a matter of fact, that might be a 5mm jump ring. But you're going to need a small and a large jump ring. You're going to need some 10mm wood beads with holes in them, flat ones. And you can find these on, you're going to have to look for these on the website through, you will be able to find these. I don't have a specific spot because I did not buy these online, but I have been looking these up, and you can find these online. Go to Amazon, y'all. That's what I'm going to tell you. Go to Amazon. You'll probably find these on Amazon. These are 8mm acrylic beads. Now, the thing about these acrylic beads, the holes in them are very, very large. And so this wire, of course, y'all, that y'all know I'm going to be using is Dollar Tree wire. And I'm going to be using 8 inches. So I'm going to cut my wire to 8 inches, okay? And this is that floral wire that the Dollar Tree have, okay? You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and I don't think I'll need my flat nose pliers, but you may or you may not need these as well, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that we want to do is we want to cut out our wire 8 inches long. We're going to come up to the top, and we're just going to make a loop, okay? You bend it over, and you want to give it a little indentation, just like this. That's what you're going to have. And then we're going to go ahead and start adding on our beads. So for this project, you are going to need 13 12-inch wood beads with holes in them, okay? So we're going to add 13, we're going to put on 13 of these beads. Now these I don't count because these are in the middle. So we're going to add 1, then we're going to add a acrylic bead, and the acrylic beads are 8mm. So that's 1, this is 2, this is 3, okay? We get to our 3rd bead. Once we get to our 3rd bead, we start bending, okay? That's what we start bending, and it's just going to be like in a circular motion. So we have 3, that's 4, 5, 6, and just like I said, we're just going to be bending it in a circular motion. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9. Bending it, circular motion. That's 9. That's 10. That's 11. And that's 12. And you're going to be bending it. And this is the last would be, and that's 13. Okay. So we have 13 wood beads on here. What we're going to do is we're going to come up, we're going to cut off about 1 inch, just like that. We're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make a loop. Just like that. That's pretty much what you're going to have, ladies and gentlemen. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull from the end, just like this. I want to keep these two together. Okay, and this is pretty much what you are going to have as far as your earring. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to take our large jump ring, our cowrie shell, and we're going to put it on our cowrie shell. We're going to put that on. Let me see if I can get this on, because this is kind of, let me get another one, because those, sometimes they kind of hard to get on the jewelry. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. You're going to take your round nose pliers, we're going to come down to the bottom and we're going to put that through the hole, and then we're just going to close this up. Just like that. And that's going to be hanging down the bottom, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. And then we're going to take the jump ring, small one. Okay, so we're going to add on our fish hook. We're going to put on our jump ring and add on our fish hook. It does not matter which way you put your fish hook on, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And here you have yourself an awesome pair of spiral wood earrings, okay? And you can pretty much, you know, you can put, this is different. This is different, okay? You can change this up if you want to. You can stretch it and make it longer. You can keep it, of course, if you wanted to, like I showed you how to do it the first time. You can keep it that way. You can pretty much do whatever you would like or however you would like to wear these earrings, okay? But this is just something that is different, something that I came up with that's different. And I want to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for today's DIY. You all have a wonderful and awesome day, and I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, back here tomorrow for Tuesday Show and Tell. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.